Hello, and welcome back to another DCM Online Academy. My name is Megan, and today we're going to be talking about the different ways to adjust volume in Adobe Premiere Pro. To adjust volume in Adobe Premiere Pro, start by placing your audio or video clip on the timeline. Select the clip and open the Effects Controls panel. Under the Volume section, use the level slider or enter a decibel value to raise or lower the volume. For quicker adjustments, you can also modify volume directly in the timeline by expanding the audio track and dragging what's called the rubber band up or down. This may be the easiest way to adjust volume, as you can see the change in the wavelengths. To create fades or dynamic changes, hold Control or Command on Mac and click the rubber band to add keyframes. Then drag them to adjust the volume over time. You have total control here. For smoother transitions between clips, apply audio effects like constant gain or constant power from the Effects panel. You can also use the Audio Clip Mixer or Track Mixer for more advanced real-time volume control and mixing.
Well, not every time I've been on once before, but it's so professional. Yeah. And Nick, I gotta say, you are a really good host.
Thanks for watching another DCM Online Academy. Tune in later for more tips and tricks with Premiere Pro.